Super busy. It's the busiest beach bar on the beach, this one. The live music, Coca-Cola, wow. Yeah, because it's close to the artists. Some people having food and drinks here, the beer bucket there. Here at B9B, the turtle there. Musical artist here at the Champlung. Shisha here. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
On this one, reserved table and chairs. People there. The light. Look how busy that is in there. Wow. Gado. I was going to eat here, but good early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around 6 p.m. I'm here in the Seminyak area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a beach walking tour along Seminyak 66 beach. So my starting point for tonight's video is going to be at the main gate entrance at the end or the beginning of the street of the very popular tourist street of Jalan Champlung Tanduk, and I'm going to make my way all the way along the back of the beach to the main gate entrance to Seminyak 66 beach on one side of the gate entrance and Legian beach on the other side of the gate entrance. As I'm walking along the track, I'm going to take in all of the bars and restaurants that line the back of the beach, which is quite a few in this area. Show you some of the seating areas. There's going to be entertainment taking place as well. She'll show you that as and where I can. Lots of soft beanbag cushion seating areas, chairs, tables also. Like I say, there's going to be quite a bit of entertainment. There's usually an inside seating area and an outside seating area. Usually the most popular is the outside seating area on the beach itself. But I shall take you and show you both areas of each restaurant as we're gradually making our way along the back of the beach. Now this area of Seminyak 66 beach, I have featured Legian beach in a previous video. Now this is sort of more of a higher priced area. The restaurants are quite a bit of a higher class, I would say, higher priced food, higher priced drinks in the Seminyak 66 beach area. All is usually very good. I personally eat at a place called Plancha, which is my favourite at this beach location here. It's going to be featured in today's video. Also I eat at a place called Gado Gado, which is right at the start of the video where we're going to be walking in today's video. I'll feature both of those in the video. And there's just really generally a nice collection of beachfront restaurants. Hotels are usually in the background, the beachfront restaurants are just located along the pathway on the back of the beach. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a beach stroll here in Seminyak. Okay, so here's my start point for tonight's video, the main entrance to Seminyak beach here at the end of Jalan Champlung Tanduk. Very popular tourist street that, heading back in this direction. Little place here. We're going to head through the gates and take you onto the beach, and we're going to turn left and make our way along past all of the restaurants. Shower toilet facility there. There's the first place on the left here is a place called Gado Gado. It's a very popular restaurant this. There's the beach area, quite busy on the beach. So this is Gado Gado, very popular with Indonesian and tourists alike. Look how busy that is in there, wow. Gado Gado. I was going to eat here, but all the tables and chairs are taken, so it's very busy. Very difficult to get access there. See, it's so busy. That's Gado Gado Restaurant and Lounge. This is Seminyak. I'm not sure whether this is 66 beach or not here yet. People sat, chilling, eating. Some little places as well. Just have a look at the little tables and chairs here. Nice. Mostly Indonesian on the beach here. Get back on the pathway. Okay, so our first place here is Terrace Bali. An inside seating area at the back there, Terrace Bali. Inside seating area here. Not too busy actually here. It's a Sunday, it should be peak time coming to sunset. Not too busy there. Let's see what the next one brings. Never walked in this direction, I normally come from the other direction. Not sure what this one's called, there's no name on this one. Reserved table and chairs. People there. Very, very nice. It's nice inside as well, this. Wow. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Seating area on the beach. We'll have the shisha here.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
There's a little shower, Sprite shower or something there. Wow. Sure what this one is here. I think this is next to my favourite, La Plancha. Oh, no names. Oh, this is Bali Juice Park. Just take me back and show you. Sitting on the beach. Musical artists as well. So just moving on from the juice bar, is probably the most popular place on the beach. This is La Plancha. It's my personal favourite, this. Absolutely fabulous place. Very, very busy it's going to be here. Oh, nice funky umbrellas, nice seating areas here. So an inside seating area as well here. Inside seating area, more in the back. Everybody's sat outside on the beach here. A Plancha reception. Super busy. It's the busiest beach bar on the beach, this one. So it's just so full. No music here, only coming from inside. No live acoustic or entertainment. It's in the Plancha. Wow. Super busy. There's the name up there, La Plancha. How busy that is, wow. Okay, just moving on from La Plancha now. I think these are showers, it's just like a Sprite shower. Very funky. I think this is the Champlung next, yes it is, it's the Champlung. We'll go up to the back first of all. Guys selling picture paintings there. So this is the Champlung. There's the inside of the Champlung seating area. How are you, brother? There's the seating area of the Champlung. Nice. Dancing here with the dog. Musical artist here at the Champlung. Okay, so just leaving the Champlung now, back on the path. Breakfast Club Seminyak. We're going to be coming up to our next place now. I'm not sure. Oh, this is Gado Gado, this place is called. Blue and white theme here. It's a nice little seating area as well. Very, very nice. Gado. Musical artists. Okay, so just leaving our last place there now. We're just on the beach here now. It's not as busy as it usually is actually here. It's quite quiet for a Sunday. Maybe it's because it's looks as though it's going to rain today. This is a place called Capil Beach. All very similar seating areas, soft beanbag cushion seating. Nice. And then the Capil Beach main restaurant is just in the back here, but no one's really on the inside. There's your bar area inside there, table and chairs, Capil Beach. So it all happens outside here. Just go down to the front here. The live music. Coca-Cola. Wow. Capil Beach. It's a seating area. Nice. Okay, so just leaving Capil Beach. Next we have the Sand Beach Bar and Restaurant with their own swing here. They used to have the name above here, not anymore. More seating areas here. One of the Sprite showers. Live music and fire dance show, 7 PM. Enjoy your night with us. Sands Beach Bar. So here's the inside seating area. Have the shisha here as well. Small tattoo. There's tattoos, food, drinks, everything you can imagine is here. These people are zigzagging around. The lady selling the stuff here. There's no live entertainment here, just speakers. There's the sand. We'll just continue on now. This is B9. Oh, B9B it's called, sorry. That's the name, B9B, Blue 9 Beach. There's a seating area inside here, some tourists here. Nice seating areas there. And then they have, like all the others, the beanbag seating areas here. Just take you and show you the iconic structures here at B9B. The turtle there, B9B. The whale or shark or whatever it is. Cool things. And then next we have K Resto. This is the last one now before the main gate entrance to Seminyak and 66 beaches. Also Legian Beach on the other side. We have a big menu here. This is the name, K Resto. Big menu there. With an inside seating area. Again, no one sat inside. Girls coming out with the food there. One's in the inside seating area. K Resto. And then we have the seating area out here. It's got a big seating area. It's normally actually quite busy, but not this evening. I just walk through the centre of it, right down. So not busy again. Maybe it's just the weather. It's keeping people away. Yeah, more at the front here because it's close to the artists. Some people having food and drinks here. The beer bucket there. Shisha there. Sat here. The beautiful swings there. It's having a massage there. We have the artist here. Love you. It's all there at B9B. Wow. A family up here, like a dinner. Wow, very nice. Okay, so just from the K Resto there, we're just going to show you now where we're going to finish today's video. This is the main gate entrance to Legian and Double Six beaches. So Legian Beach is just over in that direction. I've just featured that beach in a video, so I'll have the link in the description. And this is Jalan Pantai Legian here. This is the street of Jalan Arjuna, leading up to Jalan Raya Seminyak, Jalan Raya Legian. Just turn around and show you the main gate entrance. So there it is, the main gate entrance to Legian and Double Six beaches. Okay, so that concludes today's video. My beach stroll here in Seminyak, from the main gate entrance to Seminyak / Double Six beach at the start or the end of Jalan Champlung Tanduk, depending on which direction you're coming from. Very popular street that in the Seminyak area. Lots of hotel accommodation options, restaurants, tourist goods shopping, all available on the street there. And I walked all the way along the path running along the back of the beach all the way to the main gate entrance to Seminyak Double Six beach, what we featured in today's video, and on the other side is Legian beach. So this beach location, as I stated in the introduction to the video, is going to be of mainly interest to those of you that don't mind spending a little bit more money and are looking for a little bit more fine dining on the beach here in the Seminyak, Legian areas of Bali. Like I say, Legian beach is just on the other side. However, mainly at that beach there, you're going to find sort of like more your traditional like warung type food, Indonesian food, with a lot cheaper drinks as well. They're all going to be the same drinks to what you're going to get on Seminyak Double Six beaches, your bintang beers, all of your different beers available. However, on Seminyak beach you are going to pay more of a premium because your restaurants are a little bit of a, or not a little bit, quite a bit of a higher standard than those on the Legian beach areas. So lots of Western food, Indonesian food available at all of your restaurants that we've featured and walked past in tonight's video. Great seating areas, soft cushion beanbag seating areas at the majority of the places, nice colourful umbrellas, entertainment available at most of, some was live acoustic entertainment, others just had music playing. Literally every place has some form of musical entertainment, but all in all just really great vibes here at the Seminyak Double Six beach location here in Seminyak. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed tonight's video. Hope some of you find this video useful. It's getting a little bit windy now, and I shall say bye for now.